And now it's testing the limit switch or home switch for the y-axis. Now this is the y-axis, and the tip of the power indicator touch this area, and the limit switch is on the back. There are two, one here, one here. This one is better one. It's Omron, the original brand, and now it hit the this is the moving portion and hit the arm and the roller here and actuate the limit switch. Actually this is also the home switch, and now it's 0 mark. And I move and I release this and leave out the touch area. Certain distance and then approach it again. This again is the 0 mark. Do it again. It's 0. And you can see this limit switch. It's not very good one, but I have to do something on it. Let me turn the roller first. I checked it. I try to check it if this roller in another angle position, if it is still correct 0 mark. So I hit it again. It's still a 0 mark, so it's very good, and the precision will not be affected. Even the roller turn as some angular position. And I do some modification on the limit switch. Actually, it's not a modification. Just and let me try to explain. For this type of limit switch, it consists of two parts. The main portion is The mechanical one is on this portion back area, and this head is a little bit wobbling. It is intentionally to make it not so firmly fixed on this main body, even though on this unknown switch. And the purpose of this, maybe I don't know, maybe let it, even if it hardly there is any accident, it will just leave it, just accept it to move this portion, rotate it with this portion, so it can be a little bit wobbling, but it will affect the accuracy. And before, the accuracy will be deviated by 2 to 3 division. And now I make these 2 parts and clamp on this area, and this area, so this firmly press on this platform, so this don't move. And now it all very precise. And on this end, this is not very, this one need not to be very accurate, because this is the home switch. And I now do the home operation. And I need to move this machine and homing. There's the Y axis. I see here. So I start homing. Now this move back, and now move back. This at home position. And you can see here, there is a marking here. There's already home at 7mm away from the home origin 0. I can do it again by unhoming it. And then home it again. So you can see the reading. Go to 0 and go to 7. Actually, the homing in the next CNC is more complicated than what is on the Mark III. And I don't explain here. And I use the limit switch as the home switch, also as the home switch. And now is the turn of the Z axis. take a look here. This is the limit switch for the Z axis. One here, one is on the lower, and so this is the rear of the machine. And this bridge, on bridge there is two Y-axis limit switch, and in whole bridge move up and down, and this portion up and down, and there is stationary Z limit switch there, and there. This is home switch as well, and it now hit the roller here, this bar, and I try to make it not contact with it, lowering it. So I try to rotate this roller a little bit by 118 degrees and see if it's still correct or not. It's still 0. No problem. Now is the turn of the x-axis, and two x-axis limit switch, one here, one is under the table here, and now the down indicator is here. It's not very clear. It's too bright. I think I need to turn off the lamp. Shadow the light a little bit. We hit the star, hit the table. It's a little bit off 0. No problem. Just half deviation. It's a little bit more. Now move to this position, and the stand put at the angle and see it again. It's a little bit not clear. 0, and I think the maximum deviation is 1 division. Normally there should be less than half division. And I found if I hit this table, you can see the pointer don't move. There is, I hit the back. I'm now hitting the back. There is none backlash on the screw. This should be very good, this screw. And thank you for your watching.